VNNOX is a convenient, efficient, and secure content publishing service from NovaStar. Based on NovaStar's leading cloud technology, it allows for remote LED display content management and terminal control. VNNOX is designed to provide a secure, efficient, and autonomous ecosystem for cluster management of LED displays, which is used in many fields such as advertising media, digital signage, and commercial displays. VNNOX can provide solutions for lamppost displays on city streets, traffic guidance displays, large outdoor advertising displays, mobile renter poster displays, and storefront advertising displays. No matter where your screens are located, you can manage them with computers, mobile phones, tablets, and other devices anytime, anywhere. Content can be published in simply 4 steps. Upload media, edit playlists, schedule playlists, and publish content to terminals. VNNOX cloud-based publishing platform ensures the security and stability of content publishing by using advanced technologies such as authorization, channel encryption, data fingerprint, and terminal locking. Our 24/7 professional operation service makes content publishing secure and worry-free. You can set different operation permissions and roles using permission control based on a variety of requirements, making management and use of screens more efficient and well-organized. Automatic generation of play logs and detailed statistics of various playback data let you have a firm grasp on your screen's relevant data. Domain name, copyright, and logo settings allow you to easily customize your brand, boosting your brand promotion. NovaStar specializes in commercial displays, helping to build a bridge between content and display. Our complete solutions and technical services will help you realize your new vision.